are at a duplex. This one is a very, very good investment. It's close to everything. It's right off of a main road, but tucked away in an alley. There are other duplexes along this alleyway as well, but this one is a great investment because duplexes are so hot. They're easy to rent out as soon as you buy it, as long as it's fixed up, and you can live in it as well. So you can have a tenant and a place for yourself. These get snatched up very, very quickly, so let's take a look inside. This is the inside of the duplex. As you can tell, it is very open from the moment you walk in. The ceilings are very high. There's this staircase that goes up to the second floor. On the ground floor, you have a closet as soon as you walk in. You can tell that the floors are newly renovated. They're this beautiful white wood. There's a large living room as soon as you walk in, and it's connected to a dining room. It looks like the lights are very new as well. I believe everything in here has been renovated, so you won't have to do any work as soon as you move into this house. It leads into the kitchen. You have a black countertop, these beautiful white cabinets, those are new as well. It has a new stove. This faucet is just one of the best. And then it leads into the garage. So you have an ample amount of storage space in the kitchen, and it has this stone tile, so it's easy to clean. You have a bathroom downstairs. It's a half bath, but it has a toilet and a sink. I'll let you look at that. And then we can make our way upstairs. It looks like the banisters have been newly renovated. On your left, as soon as you walk up the stairs, you have a small office space with a skylight. It has a bit of a sunken floor, so it makes the ceiling a little bit taller. This is perfect for office space, game room. You could have a little TV up here, playroom for your children. We have a bathroom area with ample storage, newly renovated countertops, stone floors, and then this amazing walk-in shower. Look at that. And it's closed off, so someone can be using the sink while someone else is using the restroom. And we have 3 bedrooms up here. This is the bedroom number 1. I think this one's about the smallest one, but there's still enough space to put a desk in, as you can see. There's a closet that has a mirror on it, so you don't have to buy an extra mirror for the room. And then we have this next bedroom. This one's a little bit bigger, and what's interesting about this, we have the closet with the mirror like we did in the previous room, but we also have another closet. This one's a walk-in closet, as you can see. Has a lot of storage space, so that makes it even better. And we have our master bedroom. I really love how they decorated this one. It looks very modern. The floors are nice in every single room. This one has the mirrored closet as well, and another walk-in closet. As you saw the skylight in the office, there's also another skylight in the main portion of the house. Skylights are wonderful because they save electricity. You don't have to turn on the lights all the time, especially in a house that is in a place like Oregon where it might be a little bit darker. The skylights provide natural light and make your house brighter. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. As you can tell, everything is very newly renovated. It's a perfect investment home, especially for a first-time buyer. You could either live here yourself or automatically rent it out because there's no refurbishments that need to happen. But I hope you enjoyed this house. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.